Hello and welcome to Trading Lessons with me, Bharat Mudgal. Let's dive right into the previous trading session and we'll start with our analysis of the Nifty 50. The Nifty opened with a gap up over here, but during the day it covered this gap in the first hour and closed at almost the same level. Now I'll turn the 1 hour chart into a 5-minute chart. I had mentioned that the level of 12520 will provide resistance to the Nifty. Now the Nifty crossed above this level and this level then became the support. You can see here, here and here. This level has provided good support to the Nifty. Now going into the next trading session, we need to see if the Nifty breaches past this level of 12700. If it fails to do so, the next support is at 12584 and then 12520. Now let's take a look at the stocks I mentioned in my watch list on my Twitter handle. We'll start with Bayer Crop Science. Okay, this is the hourly chart of Bayer Crop Science. This is where it opened today. Throughout the day, the price could not cross the high made in the first hour, so this trade did not get initiated. Let's take a look at UBL. Okay, so UBL opened here and moved up to around 1045 in the first hour. And then it did cross the high. After that it moved up to 1067. So yeah, this trade got initiated and the stock did move up past that. I'll just show you the 5 minutes chart. Here is the open and then the stock steadily kept moving up. If you notice, this level of 1045, the high made in the first hour, did provide a very strong resistance to the stock. Later on, the same level became the support. Now let's take a look at Avanti Feeds. This is again the hourly chart. The stock opened here and made a high of 508.65 in the first hour, and the call did not get initiated because it did not cross the high. The high made in the first hour. What about Chalet? Okay, here also the same thing. The stock did open with a huge gap up. So yeah, there was some element of an up move. But the high made in the first hour, that's 152. The stock did not cross this level and the call did not get initiated. What about PNB? Okay, I'll just zoom in a bit. So here, this is the first hour bar of PNB. The high was 29.20 and then it was crossed and the stock kept moving up thereon. If you notice, the same level, 29.20, that was the high of the first hour, provided support here. So I want you to notice how I analyze a chart. What is a support? What is a resistance? Let this be an educational video as well. Okay, this is the chart of Credit Access and this is the first hour bar, and the price did not cross the high made in the first hour and it moved down. Jubilant Foodworks. Jubilant Foodworks is Dominos Pizza. Okay, so this stock opened here. This is the first hour bar. The price did not cross the high made in the first hour throughout the day. The call did not get initiated. Okay, this is LG Equipment. This is the first hour bar. The high made in the first hour was crossed a little later. The stock did move up a bit, but I wouldn't say this is enough. Yeah, it did move up. Okay, the last stock in the watch list was Central Depository Limited. and the high made in the first hour was not crossed and the stock moved down. So guys, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know. I'd be more than happy to reply. You can follow on my Twitter handle. Okay, if you do like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.